replacing us. In the world of speed, screens, and scroll, let's pause for a moment. Not to look at your phone, but to think beyond them. Before I go ahead, I want two things. To introduce myself that I am Jyoti standing here, not just to speak, but to spark a question in every mind listening. And to greet you all a happy day today. Let's begin with a system update. Not for your phone, but for your thoughts. Let me ask a question. Can you spend a day without your phone? No reel, no Google, no YouTube, no Snap. Feels impossible, right? This is the power of technology. It's all around us. In our homes, in our classrooms, and even in our pockets. But the real question is this helping us or harming us? Is this good or curse? So, the answer is technology itself is not good or bad. It depends on how we use it. Let me take an example of knife. It can cut your vegetable, but can kill someone too. Technology is useful in various ways and becomes easier. Healthcare is advanced. Job is now digital. And information is everywhere. But as an utilitarian, I believe in listening both sides of the story. After all, a coin has two faces. Do you know what? 60% of tea exhibit signs of cell phone addiction. Ever heard of TechNet? It is a disease caused by looking at phone for hours. Digital dementia, a shocking condition where our memories start to fade because of more dependence on Google than our brain. Nomophobia, a next silent killer. This is the fear of being without your phone. These are only diseases, right? And can be cured by your money. But what if your all money, your all hard work get vanished with just a click, with just a link? The biggest problem of technology is cybercrime. So, what's your opinion now? Are we using technology or is it using us? To conclude, it can be said that balance is the key. Make technology good, not curse. This is Jyoti signing off, not with log out, but with logging to awareness. Thank you for paying attention.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Siddhi Srivastava from class 10 from Yellow Tagore House. Standing in front of you is not an easy, but you know what? What gives me the confidence is the thought that we all are here to learn and grow together. With that history, I would like to share a few lines on modern technology boon of us. Modern technology has completely changed our lives. From messaging on our phones to advanced tool in hospitals, AI is the big part of this change, making computer work smarter. The good side of modern technology. Modern technology makes life easier. We can talk to anyone, anywhere instantly. Healthcare is better. Helping people live longer. AI makes businesses more efficient. Help doctors find disease faster and even speed up new discoveries. It also takes over some boring tasks, freeing us up from important work. The bad side of modern technology. But there are downsides also. AI might take over some jobs, and we were worried about privacy as more data is collected. AI can also be biased if it learn from unfair information leading to unfair results. Sometimes Sometimes relying too much means trusting too much on it can make us feel alone or less able to think for ourselves. So while technology and AI offer incredible benefits, we need to be careful, use them wisely and fix their problems to build a better future. Technology is a blessing with worries. It is because technology also has negative impacts. Modern technology is neither inherently a boon nor a curse. It is a powerful tool whose impact depends on us how we choose to use it. It means कि मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी को हम ना ही हम अभिशाप बोल सकते हैं और ना ही वरदान बोल सकते हैं। ये हम पर डिपेंड करता है, हम पर पूरा निर्भर करता है कि हम इसको कैसे चूज करते हैं अपने ऊपर यूज करने का, अच्छे वे में या बुरे वे में। Thank you to my teachers for the opportunity that they gave me to share my thoughts through this competition. I am very grateful for the chance to contribute and to learn through this competition.